Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to simplify or add polynomial expressions. There are several different ways to do it. I chose to show you two ways, and you might like the first way better than the second. It's just more tools in your tool belt to get these done. So you look at both of these and then decide which way you like to do it the best. Here we go. I call it 13.2 because in our math books that would be chapter 13, lesson 2. So here's our first example, letter A. I have this polynomial plus this polynomial. So what you can do is you can solve that vertically, just like a regular addition problem. The only thing you have to be careful using this method is to line up your like terms. So for example, I don't have a term that has an exponent of a 3, so I'm just going to skip it. But I do have an exponent with a 2, so I can say plus 4x squared. I do have another like term, so I take the sign in front of it, and I take that minus 7x, put it here. And then I have more like terms in my constants. Take the sign in front of it, and it's a plus 5. So now that I have this written here, I can look at this. I can just get rid of it. I can also get rid of my parentheses, and then draw a line under it, and just start adding our like terms. So negative 1 plus 5 is a positive 4. A negative 3x minus another 7x is a negative 10x. Well, here I have an understood 1, so that's 1x squared plus 4x squared, so that's a positive 5x squared. And then what's left? I just have this term. I don't have anything to add to it, so I'm just going to bring it down. Negative 4x to the third. So if you want to line up your like terms and just add them this way, if that works for you, go ahead and do it. But for other people, you might want to solve an expression like this, or not solve, let me say simplify, just by working horizontally. Since this is a plus in between, it doesn't change any of my signs. Now remember, that's only because this is a plus. So because this is a plus, I'm just going to erase all these lovely parentheses and just start combining like terms like they are, so that my answer will end up in standard form. I'm going to start with the highest exponent, and that's a 2. Well, here's another 2. So I have 2y squared plus 1y squared, which is 3y squared. Okay? Those are taken care of. Well, I also have a negative 4y plus 3y. That would be next in order. So negative 4 plus 3 is a negative, do we need the 1? No. Negative understood 1y. So those are taken care of. Now I just have my plain numbers, or my constants. And that's a positive 6 minus 2, which is a positive 4. Once again, my answer ends up in standard form, where the highest exponent is first, and then the understood 1, and then the constant. So here are two different ways to add, only add, polynomial expressions. Okay? I hope this helps, and I miss you guys, and we'll see each other in the classroom before you know it.